3 with Matt and Amy, and we are in charge of Chapter 3, or Chapter 6, which is the Concept Attainment Model. So our demo lesson is going to reflect that style of teaching. Okay. So today we are going to review a concept that we have learned in the past. It's something different, something that you may not be used to doing. So how this is going to work is I am going to give you examples and non-examples of a concept that I have in mind. I will show each of them on the board right here, and they will be marked with a Y if it is an example and an N if it is a non-example. And afterwards we'll go over and figure out which concept do you think I have in mind, okay, based from that information. So are you guys ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's begin. Okay. 2-finger scroll and Alt-Tab to change windows. The first one is an example. The second one is a non-example. So what ideas do you have that it may be referring to?
Navigating on a computer.
Navigating on the computer. Okay.
Different shortcuts.
That's a good one.
Thank you.
Okay. Anything else? No? Okay. Then let's go to the next one. Okay. 2-finger zoom. Any ideas?
Stuff you can do with a trackpad on a computer.
Okay. So tripod?
Mm-hmm. Or a mouse, I guess.
Tricks with your fingers.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think makes number 2 not an example?
It doesn't involve the trackpad or the mouse. It's the
Oh.
keyboard.
Okay. The keyboard. So do any of these that we have thought up of right now not go with what we have on the board?
The mouse.
Yeah.
The mouse doesn't go?
Mm-mm.
Because you need it, or you don't need it for the Alt Tab.
Okay. Well, the Alt-Tab is a non-example.
Oh.
For the examples, you need a trackpad, but you don't really need a mouse to do the zooming and the scrolling.
Okay. Good idea. So we could cross the mouse out. Any more, you think? Not yet?
I think that's
Not
it.
yet.
Need another example?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Let's try the next one. So this one is another non-example.
Because it's another keyboard one.
It's another keyboard. So you have anything on here that uses keyboards?
The shortcuts, but shortcuts and navigating, but
It's big.
Okay.
I say we're good for now.
We're good?
maybe one more example. I think we'll
Okay. Let me see.
it's getting close.
How about this one?
That's
It's technical.
stuff you can do with a Mac keyboard because it's a command button.
Okay. So do any of these fit?
Uh,
The shortcuts fit.
Does tripad still fit? Are we talking about tripads now?
No.
No, that's different shortcuts.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tricks with your fingers still works because you need them to work the keyboard.
Okay, so these two work. And they kind of go with that top one, huh?
Yeah.
Navigating? Everything. Yeah. So these all kind of combine together to what concept I have in mind. So it is navigating on a computer, but do you know which type of computer? From what our statements are.
Mac, because we're using command.
Yes, a Mac computer. So the concept I have in mind is Mac shortcuts. So why do you think it's so important to know about Mac shortcuts?
Because we're using them for class, and it'll make learning easier.
Yeah, it'll make things more efficient, and it will help you create cool things on your projects. And you understand how this computer works. You're able to work with it. Okay. Can you think of any other shortcuts that we could use on Macs?
Screenshot.
Which shortcut is that? Do you remember?
Command Shift 4.
Very good. Any others?
Command T to bring up new tabs.
Very good. Okay. Well, that is the end of our lesson. So I hope you get to see how a concept attainment model works. So thank you for watching.